Okay, fellow eBayers, here is a quick video, so introduction of how this ROM works over here. What you have here is the stock home screen of this specific ROM, where as you can see in the bottom there's three quick launch icons in the bottom, which could be anything. It could be, it could be apps, it could be a contact, it could be a direct text message to somebody, and you could pull it up and you have 6 extra ones, which give you 9 in total. Over here you see, in this one specifically, I have the digital camera, I have the camcorder, the Windows Marketplace, the File Explorer, Internet Explorer browser, the calculator, one card game, Hearts, another one, Pocket Uno, and Tetris. 3 games I'm gonna obviously just leave in there for you guys, whoever buys it. And of course you could put it back, and it takes you back to the basic screen. And then the next screen you can also swipe here, where you could go to between the contacts of different different ones, and go through the next screen, which goes basically to the touch flow 3D instead of sliding like I'm doing here. You can see I can slide through all the menus, where you have you have the contacts, you have text messages, your emails, your browser, the pictures you have on the phone, the music you have on the phone. Obviously I don't have the SD card installed, so ain't gonna be anything there. Your calendar, which comes stock on the month format, which I personally like. You have the Facebook app right there, which you could go to your updates, click over here and get into it. The weather app, the weather HTC Sense, which looks very familiar to the Android. Very nice, very intuitive. You can add your city, take them off, update the current condition if you want. And over here the last one is the settings for everything, where you could obviously change any setting on the phone. And of course, like I said, you can slide or swipe, it doesn't matter which one it is you do. You still go to the next screen, you go back, you go back to the screen. And obviously it's based on a Windows 6.5, where you press start. Here you have the basic honeycomb back screen, home screen should I say, but with a 4-row integration instead of just the basic honeycomb 3-row. And here obviously you access everything that's available on the phone, as far as some apps as well. You got the settings, the GPS, games, the total commander, adjust the home screen, the internet, change the parameters on that, HTC folder, which lets you access different things with the HTC, different apps, which obviously run pretty good on this specific ROM. You press back. As you can see, it's pretty quick for what it is. Windows Mobile 6.5. Obviously there's faster stuff out there, but for 6.5 this is pretty quick. It has a 5 megapixels camera, as you may know already. So this is this basically introduction to the phone, what it is, so you guys have an idea of how to mess with this specific somewhat different program, a ROM should I say, of the phone.